Hi guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you guys how to use nail foils. They're also called nail wraps. It's really easy and I'm just going to run you guys through it. So I've done a couple of nails here. These are basically stickers and they're really easy to use. So what you need to do is grab one of these. I generally use the side that I'm not gonna use because my nails are short. So how it's done is you just peel them off like that and carefully place them on your nail like that and just press them down. Make sure there are no folds on the side. Just push them to the front. Do the same on the other side and then simply bring them down to a fold. Once you've done that, it'll look kind of like this. So what you can do is take a nail file and just file the edges off. Do it inward. So what the nail file basically does is it cuts the edge off, but be sure not to file in one particular place too much because then your nail's gonna be crooked. And then once you've done that, just pull it off and voila, a neat finish. That's how it looks. Now if the nail sticker is too big, then what you could do is you could just cut it down to the size that you want. So I've used a larger size and I've used the scissors to cut it and make it smaller. So as you can see, I've made the edges smoother when I'm cutting them so that when I actually paste them on, they fit right in with the curve there. So now that I've got it to my size and it looks like it would fit, I'm just going to peel that off. And gently place it on the right spot. And then once again, like before, I'm just gonna place it, just rub it in. Make sure there are no folds. And then just fold it in. Then once again, I'm going to take that, take the nail file, and just smooth the edges here. And when I do that, I can take that off. And if there is anything remaining, just be sure to file that off as well. And make sure you have a clean, clear look. Now, one of the important parts here is to make sure that your nail is fully covered on the side, because if it's not, it would look something like this. That'd be that space. So if you can get it as close as possible, it would create a better look. And as always, fold it in and then file. Just going to show you guys one more time. It's pretty easy. Just remove that. Place it on the nail. Be sure to push the edges a little bit away so that it can actually stick on the nail directly without any interference. Once you've got the right spot, just press it down. Be careful with the edges, you don't want any folds there. Smoothen it out. Fold it down. Make sure the edges are in place and then give it a quick file Make sure that the file is inward because you don't want to move the sticker from its place. So just keep filing it inward, or a little bit to the side, but an inward motion, and then just take that off. So there you have it. Now the next step is to seal it in. Now when it comes to sealing it in, some nail polishes just don't work because they have a bubbly effect, because this is made of probably polythene, or it just doesn't work with some nail polishes. So I like using this one because this just works as a protection coat, so that the nail sticker is protected and sealed in, so that it lasts longer and water and other things can't damage it, and it just has a better look and a better shine that way. So I'm going to use this Sally Hansen double duty base and top coat. I like using this one because it's easy and works as a base and top coat as it says. So one more thing to remember is, before you apply the top coat, make sure that you've washed your hands, because you might still have bits of nail that might have come loose when you were filing it. So you just need to wash off the powder. If not, you won't have a smooth finish. So I've just got this polyfiber cloth. I just like to wipe my nails off with them now that I've washed my hand. I don't like to use tissue because they leave little bits on the nail and then you don't get a proper even finish if they are stuck underneath the top coat. So now that I've done that, or you could actually just wait for your nails to dry, and then you simply put the nail polish, but make sure your edges are completely covered so that your sticker or nail wrap isn't exposed. If the edges are properly covered, then your nail wrap will last longer without it peeling on any side. Now nail wraps come in a lot of different brands, so try a few different ones, see which one you like, because each one has a little bit of difference when it comes to how thick it is and how easy it is to apply. So see how you like them and experiment a few different types, and I'm sure you'll have fun doing it. And in case you get it wrong, don't worry, because most packs have a few extra. So if in case you get it wrong, there's always another one there for you to try, in case you need to cut it into the right shape, or if your nails are the exact fit, and you could just peel and pop them on. Whatever works. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Have fun trying your own nail wraps. See you guys next time.